Welcome to a brief tour of 3D Camera Studio for iPad. To start the app, touch the 3D Camera Studio icon. Notice the information panel on the right side of the screen. This panel displays helpful tips as you use 3D Camera Studio. This panel can be hidden or displayed at any time by touching the information button. In landscape mode, the projects gallery is on the left side of the screen. Each project contains left and right images along with alignment information. To create a new project, touch the plus button. Touch the text in the top toolbar to give the project a name. Then, touch each image frame and select Photos from your album. Note that photos can come from any source as long as they're the same size. For helpful tips on taking 3D photos with your camera, see the information panel. After the images are selected, they can be aligned. Touch the alignment icon on the bottom toolbar, and the right image will show as a transparency on top of the left image. Use your finger to move the images into alignment. The magnification loop makes it easy to focus on the small details. It's most important to align the images vertically. That is, make sure that neither image is above or below the other. Then choose a subject that you'd like to appear at the same depth as the screen. In this photo, perhaps the center sphere, and make sure they overlap as closely as possible. Alignment can be used to control the apparent depth of the 3D image. A helpful tip to remember is the 3 R's. That is, by moving the right image to the right, the image will appear to recede or move back into the screen. Likewise, moving the image to the left will cause it to pop out. The recede and pop out buttons on the bottom toolbar make this modification easy. When the two images are aligned, touch the Glasses button to view an anaglyph. Anaglyphs require special glasses. To obtain free 3D glasses, see the Juicy Bits website. Some buttons can be touched a second time to configure options. For anaglyphs, the Enhance switch boosts overall brightness and saturation. The Mode setting controls the method that is used to blend the two images. Touch the Stereogram button to view the left and right images side by side. For example, let's look at this image as a stereogram. Stereogram images can be viewed without special glasses. This is called free viewing. To learn how to free view, see the information panel. Touch the stereogram button a second time to configure the alignment dots, set the viewing mode, and to control the width of the black border. To view a wigglegram, let's load this image. Then, touch the wigglegram button in the lower right corner to see a simulated 3D effect. Note that wigglegrams are not true 3D images, since both eyes see both images. Touch the wigglegram button a second time to control the speed of the animation. For variety, wigglegrams can also be used with two standard photos for a fun effect. When the 3D image is complete, touch the Action button. Choose Copy to copy the image to the pasteboard for use in other apps. Choose Save to Album to save the image to your photo album. Choose Send to Mail to send the 3D image via email. Use the Settings button to turn the Advanced Mail switch on or off. When the setting is on, a file format can be selected when sending mail. Note that to save a 3D image using PNG, Stereo JPEG, Stereo PNG, or the multi-picture format, this setting must be on. If you have the full version of 3D Camera for iPhone and iPod Touch, you can wirelessly transfer photos to 3D Camera Studio on your iPad. In 3D Camera, touch Send to iPad. Then, touch the camera icon and wait for the images to transfer into a new project. And that's it! If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Touch the Send Feedback button in Settings to drop us an email. You can also visit us at www.juicybitsoftware.com. Thanks!